Biff gaff we're about to go check out. Yeah, boy. Like it. Like it. Stay tuned. Need to get my torch out. Oh, that's all fell down. Oh, there's enough dead flies in here, boy. Ooh. So, this is a big house. No basement. 0, 3, 5. Wow. That cobweb. Postman still comes. No. Whoa. Look at that for a fireplace. Eh? All that wood. Nice. Let's head upstairs. 3-story. Goes up more. Mate, look at this place. Apparently there's a tennis court on site as well. Still hear the water flowing. This looks a good explore today. Water's still going, mate. Even your soaps are left. Room scrooge that from the inside. Even the beds. Ah, that's where that door's shut. This wardrobe, man. Christ. Damn, this is a gem, man. Still working. The water's still going. That's mad, isn't it? This place is absolutely clean as anything for an explorer anyway. This is my cleanest explore. There's still power in the kitchen. I don't know if... Yeah, Dan, there's power. Look. Look. Why is there a midget's bath? Why is there a midget's bath?
Probably a kid's away, just wash your feet.
Weird balls. I wonder who's paying the electricity on this gas. Because some of it's switched off. Wow. Oh. 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 I'll let you see for yourself, bruv.
Dead bad. Oh. That's nice.
Oh. A bit of heaven. Look at this room, the wallpaper, so wacky. Random screwdriver. Oh, I hate seeing pictures of kids left. Do you reckon that was in there?
Oh.
Michael Bubbler. You know, more photos of people just left, letters. I could never leave things like this.
This is just rubbish.
Another mattress there. A candle. Some more stuff on the floor. Oh, what? Really? Oh. Yeah, the size of that. That is a beast. This place is just nuts. So we're just going through the house now. I'm just about to take a little bath. Literally, little bath. And then a few more pictures and have a look around the outside. So yeah, Pollard explores the abandoned. We're at this massive 6-bedroom house. Supposed to be something to do with Paul McCartney. I don't know. There's a building next door, it's still solid. That looks really good inside, but we don't break in. Yeah, it's been a wicked explore. So clean, not one bit of graffiti or anything smashed. So that's a good thumbs up. Thank you for watching Pollard Explores the Abandoned. We'll probably do some more today, but might not. Let you know. It's Saturday. Remember, hit the like button if you like this video. Thank you. So yeah, we're just leaving this building now, turning all the lights off, shutting the doors and whatnot. But yeah, wicked explore. I just want to thank the person that gave me the pin. You know who you are. And on to the next.